Hi guys, my name is Vito and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making vegan mashed potato. I hope you like this one, so let's go. So for mashed potato for 2 people you will need 5 medium-sized potatoes, 2 times 2 teaspoons of salt, 50 grams of cashews, 2 teaspoons of pepper and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And you know how this goes. In slow motion, add your potatoes to a pot of cold water. Go ahead and add your 2 teaspoons of salt and start cooking. Soak your cashews in warm water and let it sit for 10 minutes. Once done, drain your potatoes. Then drain the cashews and top them up with fresh hot water up to 200 milliliters. Blend for a minute until your compound is smooth. Now for the final stage, add all your ingredients, mix them and mash it all together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me those thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. See you soon in my next video.